Did you know you can turn a simple PNG into a 3D printed cake topper like this? No modeling skills are required. Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, where I share creative projects to help you make things that look amazing without making things complicated. So let's get started. To start, create your design in your favorite software and save it as a PNG with a transparent background. This could be a name, a phrase, or a graphic that you want to turn into a topper. Next, head over to Bambu MakerLab and open the Image to Keychain tool. Upload your PNG and adjust the thickness and depth settings until the preview looks the way you want. This tool automatically converts your image into a 3D model. Once you're happy with the preview, download the file and it'll export as an STL ready for printing. Next, open the STL in Bambu Studio. Here you can resize the topper to fit your cake. I printed this one using gold filament for that classic cake topper look. I also like to flip the model face down on the build plate so the front prints nice and smooth. Slice the model and send it to your printer. I'm using my X1 Carbon printer by Bambu Lab, but you can use any printer that you have. Since the stick is part of the design, it prints all in one piece. It's fun to experiment with different fonts so that you can get a different look based on your party theme. And here's the finished topper in the cake. This is a really easy way to create custom toppers without buying designs or learning 3D modeling. You can even make them as cupcake toppers. If you want the full step-by-step tutorial and photos, I'll link the blog post below. And if you like creative projects like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.